Yeah, hello scrappers. I got about 20 of these valves here to tear down. I think there's about 18 left to tear down. There's one here that's tore down partially. And then I've got this one here that I just tore down. Had a little spring over this piece. That was the only thing that stuck to the magnet. The rest is nice yellow brass. Some of it looks kind of reddish. So, and what I've got in the bucket right now is like 1.5 pounds. That's just one. Because this had a kind of a cover over it. This is the cover, pretty thick brass itself. So, you see there where I hit it on the grinder. So, I'm going to set the tripod up. I see Oreo came out here to play. Yeah, there's a little Oreo. Came out to keep me company. And I'll get started on these. I sprayed them down a little bit on the threaded part with some breakaway. So hopefully they'll come apart a little easier. And which, like I said, that one is a lot different than what these look like even. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to set the tripod up and we'll get started. Okay, a lot of these seem to have a wire. A couple holes drilled in this threaded part here and a wire in there. Not sure exactly why, but so we'll see what we got to do to get that off of there. Get us off of that side. Okay, I put the check this on the grinder real quick. Yeah, that was definitely brass. That's got a nice shiny. Now let's see if I can trim this piece. Yeah, that's not wanting to turn at the moment. Well, I don't know if I can. Just put a little breakaway on it, see if that helps. Don't know if it will or not. And we'll see if we can get on it with a pipe wrench. May need to put a cheater bar on it, maybe. Yeah. Sometimes impact like that can loosen up crud or whatnot in the threads. There it goes. That did the trick. I think that, yeah, I'm not even sure that doesn't even feel like that spring's sticking. So everything in there may be brass. Well, that piece there is not brass. That piece is brass. That just came out of there. Yeah, it's kind of copper looking. Copperish. That piece there. That piece is brass. I've got a nut in there. Yeah, let me hit this on the grinder real quick. Just nice big. Definitely brass. Well, that jumped up to 11. Looks like a nut in there. I'm going to see if that'll unscrew. If that unscrews, then this post will probably drop down here. And then I can get that spring off of there. Let's see if I can. Okay. Now, what size is it? There it is. I guess I had a 9/16 sitting here. But it's smaller than that. Yeah, that's turning. Yeah, I should have worked on these a couple days ago, actually. Okay. It was. That's copper or brass? Might be brass spring. That's definitely yellow brass. Well, that one didn't go too bad. So we got 28 more to go. Here's this other one that's broke down. This is what's printed in the top. This whole thing right here is unscrewing nicely. Of course, and like I said, I got the the wire there again. Might just hit that wire on the grinder, just grind it on both sides there. Yeah. Ground it all the way down on the one side and then just pulled it through. So, works for me. Yeah, this light does not, this LED light does not like that inverter. I was going to buy that pure sine wave inverter this month, but I need glasses. My wife needs to go in for cataract surgery, so that way I'm just going to have to save for a couple months and get that taken care of first. My glasses and her cataract surgery, and then she needs glasses. Okay, so on this one, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't loosen it up with a hammer. Sometimes that shock will kind of, if the threads are stuck together, it'll kind of break them loose. I don't know if I want to try it this direction first. With the ratchet, with the, oh yeah, oh yeah, didn't have to even put any pressure on that one, just came right apart. What did that take us up to? 5 pounds 3 ounces. That's adding up some weight fast. Now this piece, I'm not really sure what these things are or what they're off of, but pretty good chunks of brass. I think if I remember right, I picked these up in Wayne last year when I had that one big job down there. I got a little metal tub around here that these were in, and it was overflowing. A little metal pan, I should say. Okay, dismantled. This one doesn't have the wire. Easy enough. I'll wipe some of the dirt off that before I throw it in the bucket. Okay, this yeah, sometimes these strap wrenches come in pretty handy. That one is a little tighter. I believe the strap wrench, I got this off of Amazon for about 10 bucks, and I do have it in my Amazon affiliate page, my Amazon store, I guess you could say, which from what I understand, if you click, which I'll have a link in the description below the video, you click on that link, go to the page and buy something within 24 hours of clicking on the link, then I get a small percentage for kind of advertising. Get a little advertising commission. And that never hurts. So if you need one of those, just click down there, look down below the video there in the description. Got a lot of other goodies on there too. The spices on there. Just don't have a, I guess I should put this down here where you guys can see what I'm doing, huh? I just got that one little nut that's in there. I don't know if you can see it. Threads are a little tighter on this one. Most of them, the last two are pretty easy. Yeah, I got to go up to the city to pick up my meds tomorrow, so I thought, well, I'll go ahead and try to get these cleaned up and take them up there to the scrap yard. Help pay for the gas. 7 pounds, 4 ounces. So, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera. And we'll see you guys in the next video. So, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And remember to check out the Amazon page. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.